Hi, my name is Sue Waters, and I'm happy to be here today. I am from District 200, and I am the Director of Student Services, working with our special education programs at the high schools and the transition program. And for the last 7 years, we have had the opportunity to have a relationship with MathRack that has been phenomenal, not only for our students, for our community, for that collaboration we are always looking for with the community and the business partners, because we are constantly working with our students to develop good skills that will bring them into the workforce after they graduate from our high school or after they finish our transition program. Here at MathRack, we fell into this relationship in somewhat of a casual way, and one of our vocational coordinators answered a Craigslist ad about 7 years ago, and she made a connection with Scott, and since then we've been able to bring our students here. Not only do we work on work skills back in the schools, but when they come to an authentic work environment and they are doing work that will actually be sold statewide, nationwide, internationally, it makes for an authentic experience that we just cannot replicate in our schools. Our students have a pride in that they are going to work. We are setting some great baseline skills for them, not only coming into a work environment, but we're working on those soft skills of how to be work ready, how to look good for a job, what you do on a job, what's appropriate behavior for them, and hopefully many of those will transfer into the real workforce at a later point in time. The support that we've received from this company has not only been through allowing our students to come here on a weekly basis, some of the work we are able to do back in our schools, and it's like a family. The students and the owners and all of the workers here have a relationship that makes everybody feel comfortable. And I think there's an excitement when we can see students grow, because that's always our goal. And we work really hard to find other collaborators in the community to be good partners, to help us and support our goal for students. And what better way to find a community organization that will allow us to train our students and give them that opportunity that we hope sets the stage for those future successes. So if you're in a school and you're looking for partnerships, don't hesitate to make calls and look at Craigslist and go knock on doors in the community, because you never know where you will find an opportunity for your students to have some positive experiences in the vocational field.